Okay, Proton Saga 2016 to 2018 version, VVT version. Installed for Onego 9-inch Android GPS big screen player with a OEM big screen casing, special casing for Saga VVT, IPS screen, multi-angle view, all same color, same viewing. Okay, OEM socket plug and play, 9-inch IPS screen, good fitting, full menu. Okay, video input, video output, Bluetooth, pairing with your phone Bluetooth. Click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Got a mic input for Bluetooth call. Okay, back to home. Setting. Network, internet, Wi-Fi turn on. Phone hotspot connect for internet. System. Okay, T3 version, T3L, Android version 9, 2 GB RAM, 32 GB storage, 2 plus 32. Okay, fix for the main display UI. Okay, but you got a page 2 on your right and page 3 on your left. The page 2 and page 3 for the shortcut apps. Long press, can choose any way to put in. If you don't want the apps, just long press, delete. Okay, Play Store, log in your Gmail to download app. Okay, File Manager to manage your file. Okay, big screen 9-inch or 10-inch. It's no SD card, no DVD slot, but got a 2 USB extension. You put in a drawer. Okay, one will put the extension, put in a drawer. Another one got a USB OEM plug and play. Connect your original original USB slot. Okay, it's got a RCA reverse camera input. You can add on a Coco or convex reverse camera. Equalizer, 12 band equalizer or preset equalizer. Okay, radio. So select a frequency you want. Okay, long press to save it. Okay. It's got a styling control. Back to home. Okay, Android player, you have to clear apps. Click for the square icon. Clear is one by one or close all. Long press to change the wallpaper. Set. So this is Onego 2 GB RAM, 32 GB storage. Installed for 9-inch Android GPS big screen player with OEM casing and OEM socket plug and play. And optional to add on for the brake lock system. Okay, turn on. Door open. Door close. Press brake. Press brake, auto lock. Okay, a menu to unlock. Okay, door open, door close, press brake as well, again, lock. This is brake lock system for Proton Saga VVT. Installed by 1Bis and video by Andy. Thank you.